Hello guys, greeting from Nifty Wizard. Hope you all are doing well. So today I will tell you how I analyze the market so I was able to make a profit of 50,000. Okay. So today I traded Nifty futures. So coming to the 5-minute time frame, which I used to mark the zone areas. So what I analyzed today, that on 4th of the August, market made this swing high, which is also known as previous day high. So before the market start, I mark this zone, which is the swing high. Okay. Then what I did, I also marked the previous day low, which is at this point. Then what happened? At 9:15, what happened was the market opened at the zone, the supply zone, and I was convinced that market will face some sort of resistance over here and will fall. And so did the market. Market fell from 6,290 level all the way to the support zone. Okay. So basically, what I used to trade on 2-minute time frame. So I will switch it to that. So you will see that market open just at the supply zone, which is previous day high, and fall up to the previous day low, which is the demand zone. Then what did the market? Market just reversed from this point. Did I trade it here? No. Why? Because I didn't found any sort of reversal signals over here. Although you can tell me that there was a bullish engulfing candle at 9:35, but if I place my order here, then my stop loss would be huge, because I will have to place my stop loss below the support zone, some structure, so that would be huge, which is here 35 points. That's why I was waiting patiently, because market is not going anywhere. You will get some chances, you will get some more chance. So I was waiting. Then what happened? Market formed this swing high. Okay. Then what I did, I just connect the dots. You will have to learn how to connect the dots. And if I talk about the market, connecting the dots mean just connect the swing highs and swing lows. Okay, that is what we call trend line. So I connected the two swing highs. Okay. So I was waiting that market should break this upper trend line just after this move, but that didn't happen. Market fell again, then start to recovering somehow. So what I did, I marked the lower trend line also. Okay, so this is my lower trend line and this is my upper trend line. So if you will see that the market is forming some sort of triangular structure, some sort of symmetrical triangular structure. And what does that indicate? It indicates that once the trend line is broken, there is good enough chance that market will continue its previous trend. And what was the previous trend? It was a bullish trend. Okay, so my view was bullish after seeing this symmetrical triangle pattern. So market breaked it, not with some good candles. So I consider the candle of 11.5 as a good candle of a breakout. Before that, there was no volume. Okay, so I waited patiently. I was waiting for the market to come back to the trend line and retest it. And market retested the trend line at 11:30. So I had my order placed over there. I had a pending order. Then my order was full. Okay. Then what I did, so I put my stop loss just below this previous swing low, which is 16,220. Okay, I will mark this with a dotted line. So this was my previous day stop loss. Okay, and I will mark my entry with the blue line. So my entry was somewhere close to 16,246 or 50, if I remember correctly. So it was at somewhere this point at 46. This is 46. So the blue line marked here represents my entry point, and the red line marked in the red dotted line marks my stop loss. Okay, so what I tell that always focus on the risk reward ratio. So what would be my ideal risk reward? It would be 1:2. And if I calculate my stop loss points, it is somewhere close around 20 points. Okay. So my ideal target should be 40 points. My entry was at 16,246, that is 16,246, and my target should be just 40 points above. So that would be 86. So somewhere close to this point. So when market was close to my target, what I planned, that I will book my 50% of my position here, okay, and I will hold the rest 50%. So I booked my 50% of the position at the support zone, which was also my target. Then what I did, I just shifted my stop loss to the break-even point. Okay, let me remove the blue line that represents my entry. So I will remove. Now you will see this. Just give me a moment. So my stop loss was at my break-even point, which is 16,246. Then I booked my 50% of profit here. So I will mark this in green at close to this point. The line marked in green represents the area where I booked my 50% of profit. That means I just exited 50% of my position. Okay. Why I did so? Why I just booked 50% of my profit? Because I was convinced that the support zone will, that the resistance zone will break, and so did the market. So you will tell me, sir, how would you know that the market is going to break the support zone? So let me tell you, it all comes with experience. Okay, I have been in markets since last 10 years, so it will come to you with experience. So then I was hoping that market will break the resistance zone, and so did the market. So I exited all my position at 1:3, that is 60 points away from my entry point. So my entry point was 16,246. 60 point above will be 16,306 rupees. So somewhere here. Okay, I exited all my positions. So that was it for today. So what was the message? What was the message in this video? My message to you is, always have a trading plan. It is wisely said that first plan your trade, then trade your plan. Okay. So I get some comments. I see comments that people ask, is it possible to make money, such a huge money like you, with small capitals? No, that is not possible. That you're gonna make some huge money with a small capital. Yeah, miracles can happen. There are some strategies. There are something that sometimes you can make huge money just with a small capital. Okay, but talking about the majority, then majority of times that is not possible. My capital deployed in this trade was above 10 lakhs. Okay, so just don't run for my profit. Okay, you must see that how much capital was deployed in this trade. Yeah, but then what people say, that can I start trading with a small capital? Yeah, you should start. I suggest you that if you are a beginner, then you should start with a small capital like 20,000, 30,000, just for testing and learning. Once you are expert at it, once you feel you are getting the conviction that yeah, now I can make some good sort of money, then increase your capital size. Okay, so if you want to learn the price action, then you can visit my Instagram page and send me a message over there. Okay, thank you, have a great day.